Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's been a long time, so hope you all are doing good. These are the today's video. I'm going to say about a few tips about or the uses of these flax seeds, which you are seeing here are the flax seeds. So there are two types of flax seeds here, and these are the seeds which have been using since the start of our civilization. So it's an old crop, and it contains many essential nutrients, and these are of two types. You see that seeds which you are seeing here are the brown seeds, and you will be having another type also like golden colored, and so both these seeds, either golden or like this brown seeds, are having equally nutritious values are present. So if you get into the what are the nutrients present in this, all the essential fatty acids, so mainly omega-3 fatty acids are present here, and lignans are present. It's rich in fiber. It is also having proteins, vitamins, whatnot, so many are present here. And see, these omega-3 fatty acids are very essential for our body, like those who don't eat fish, right, so they can easily have this. These are the flax seeds, so that contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are very essential. That is, it reduces the bad cholesterol and increases the HDL, that is the good cholesterol. And also these flax seeds contain many things. These flax seeds contain even raw lignans. Those are the plant products which contain which are having estrogen and the antioxidant properties, so which are very essential for reducing the cancers. So those are the uses, and before going into detail about more uses, I'm going to tell you how to use this, right? If you are willing to have this directly, you can chew it. Otherwise, we are going to make into powder form. So before making into powder, we have to just roast it. Okay, let's get into the. So here, this is a pan, and I'm going to roast it. So now, if you see the uses, I've told lignans, right? So those are having antioxidant properties, and that are going to reduce the cancers. And even see those women who are eating these flax seeds, in the post-menopause women, they show less breast cancers, right? It reduces breast cancer. And if you research made on men also, those who are consuming these flax seeds, in them the prostate cancer has also been reduced in them. I mean, they don't show the prostate cancer in the later ages. And so what else? Still, like, say, it contains rich sources of proteins, and those proteins contains amino acids. Very good essential amino acids are like aspartic acid, arginine, so many are present. And it also contains some ALA, that is alpha linoleic acid, which is an essential fatty acid. Okay, that is good for health. And now I'm just roasting here. You can see the color change color. If you see the raw one, those were something different from this, right? So now I'm going to make them into powder. So for powder purpose, I'm using little bit jaggery and even this grounded powder of ginger, for the flavor purpose, right? You can, if you are willing to have this directly, we can have after grinding into powder. See, actually, if you are willing to have directly, what happens, our intestines are incapable of absorbing this hard. See, you can see the hard shells or the hard outer covering of these, not shell, the outer covering of these grains. So that it will be somewhat unable to absorb. Our intestine walls are unable to absorb properly, and you're not going to have the complete nutritious benefits of these health benefits of these powders. So I'm just going to make into powder. So after it's been powdered, so the powder looks something like this. See, you can see this the powder, which contains jaggery, ginger. If you want, you can have little pepper instead of ginger. That is a dried ginger powder. So It contains anti-cancerous properties, and it also reduces diabetes, type 2 diabetes, which is the most common diabetes which are being affected now. About 80% of people are being affected of this diabetes too, type 2 diabetes. That is because of having overeating and having the obese. Okay, so production of this blood glucose levels will be increased in them. So in order to reduce the blood glucose level in the type 2 diabetes, we are going to, it's not that insulin production is not being produced there in the type 2 diabetes, but that insulin is not going to reduce the blood glucose levels. So here, if you have this powder, what the fiber content, which is a soluble fiber content, that is 10 to 20% will be present, and insoluble fiber content, that is 60 to 80%, that will reduce, or that will make the blood sugar, that will stop the blood sugar, that is glucose, to enter into the blood. Okay, so that may reduce the risk of this diabetes, and even it is having some health benefits, beauty benefits, like it is going to reduce the hair fall, and also it reduces the constipation. Yeah, and if you not only having orally, or not only it is useful as an edible purpose, you can have this as a cosmetic, what is that, we can make into gel and have it for our hair. So how to prepare gel I'll show in the next video, but this is the thing which we are having, going to eat. See, if children are not willing to eat this, what we have to do is do like this, make into laddus, or else you can directly, without having or without adding jaggery and ginger, we can directly, after roasting, we can directly make into powder. So actually I directly made into powder and took to my workplace, but there my colleagues have suggested that it's something, the taste is not willing to have this, so you can have little bit of salt or else like jaggery. So they suggested me that thing, and I thought that they suggested to have jaggery or sugar. So I thought that sugar, instead of sugar, we can have this jaggery, which contains iron, and along with that I added for the taste purpose, and which is also good for our gut and also the intestines, that is ginger. So if you are taking 100 grams of these flax seeds, you can have 5 grams of the ginger powder and little bit of jaggery. You can have more if you want to have little bit sweeter. You can add more jaggery, and see, it will be very good in taste. I have already tasted this, and these are the benefits, and I think you will be liking this video, and I think you are going to practice this superfood and had it along with your dry fruits in the morning. After having dry fruits, take some time, and you can have this 2 to 3 tablespoons, or see directly how much we have to use. This is like 30 grams daily for men and women both. And if children are not willing to eat, you can mix them into the powder with the milk, or else you can have you can add this in the curry, right? Just like we do for we do as a dhania powder, we add some spices and dhania powder, something like that, in our food. So like that, in our curries we can add this. So one more tip to add to this is it is having as it is having more benefits, like it reduces cholesterol, I said, so that nothing but it is going to reduce bad cholesterol or in the arteries or in our blood vessels, and that it makes blood circulation to be free. And also when blood circulation is free, obviously no problems of heart stroke or something like that. So it reduces strokes also, heart stroke, and anti-cancerous, and diabetes. It reduces diabetes. It reduces many types of cancer: prostate cancer, breast cancer, skin cancer, colon cancer, as it is very good for the alimentary canal or colon. So as it reduces constipation when it is having more insoluble fibers. So that will definitely reduce the constipation. So it is having what not so many health benefits of there. So I think you people will be definitely using this product. Sorry, not it's not a product, it's a homemade thing, right? You can buy it from the grocery store, and directly you can have a 500 grams or something, 1 kg also. It's not bad thing. You can have no worries to have even 1 kg also. Make them, you take some little quantity and make them into this powder, and have daily. You can have it in your foods, in your curries, or in your something else. Yeah, not only everything. See, even if you're making some smoothies, you can also add this 2 to 3 tablespoons of these also into your smoothies. And if you have if you want to make thick consistency of anything, you can add this also. Okay, so what not, so many things are there. I think you will be now obeying this as a superfood, right? So I hope you like this video, and you might be I hope you will be practicing this. All is well. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Take care. Signing off. Bye.